good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my lovely British patients. And she's smiling today.
I am.
But she wasn't smiling yesterday before surgery, which she had done yesterday. You can see the bandages there. And what was going on that you needed surgery on your neck?
I had really bad pain here on my shoulder and all down my arm. It was excruciating pain. I don't think I've ever been in so much pain from something that I had to literally just lift my arm and just keep it balanced just to stop the nerve just shooting all the way down here.
Okay, so you had a pinched nerve in your neck and you had pain down your arm. And how did you find out about me and Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, our son does the racing, go-kart racing, and your son does go-kart racing too, and we were just, I think, so very blessed on Saturday. We were at the track at the same time when I was experiencing the problem, and you very kindly came over and ascertained what was you believed to be wrong was a trapped nerve. That was Saturday. Monday morning you had me straight in for an MRI to see that I had the herniated disc, and it was sitting right on the nerve, which was making all the pain down my arm. And straight in for surgery then yesterday. And the Monday evening, I think I probably cried all night with the pain because it was so bad. And I've come out of surgery yesterday and the pain was just immediately gone.
Gone, out of your arm?
Completely.
And your neck?
Yes.
You're happy?
Very.
All right, so actually her son and my son are on the same team, a go-karting team, Zanella Racing.
Correct.
Right? And Naka, the owner of the team, came to me while I was sitting there waiting for the next race and said, "Hey, doctor, can you take a look at her? She's in a lot of pain." And so, as I do frequently at the track, I get called to go check on people, and when I examined her and talked to her, it was apparent to me there was a pinched nerve going on in her neck. And so, yep, we moved everything along, and you had your laser surgery, Deuk laser disc repair done yesterday. How did you feel about having a fusion? Is that something you wanted, to have a metal plate and everything in your neck?
Absolutely not, no. Yeah. It was being able to come in and go out the same day, super, super quick. Yeah. For sure.
Very good, and you're starting therapy today, which is a very important part of healing. Anything else you want to say to the world, to people suffering with neck pain, arm pain?
Oh my goodness, if I could recommend Dr. Deuk here, for sure, do not hesitate. Pick up the phone, email, whatever you need to do, get the advice. I can't thank you enough.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad we could help you guys.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, let's get you guys out of here and off to